Hey there, friends and fellow crafters, it's LeeAnn, and I am here today with a project for Imagine Crafts. And here I am with my mini Misty, a stamp from Picket Fence Studios, and I'm adjusting that stamp in there where I want it with my black 110-pound cardstock. I'm using Versamark ink to ink up that bag, and then I remember anti-static powder bag. Gotta use that. So I ink it up, rub it down real well, and then I'm going to ink it up again. And I really want to get a good impression of this. So here we go. I got it that time. So now I'm going to pull in my coffee filter and my gold embossing powders. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I've removed it from the bag and I keep it in these little containers because it's easy cleanup. So now I'm going to pull in my heat tool and I'm going to melt the powder. And I just love this gold because it's such a beautiful color. I mean, they're all beautiful colors, but this gold especially. So here we go. Got that done. And now I'm going to bring my Misty back and put that paper back in there. And I'm going to bring out a set of stamps from Kitchen Sink Stamps. And I'm using the thank you stamp. Just trying to figure out how I want to put it on my card here. And then I decide, you know what? Maybe not. Maybe I'm going to use something else. And I decide that I'm going to go with something else. And I use a sentiment from the November Create an Inkspire kit. And I wish I had the card or the kit in front of me right now so I could tell you what it's called. So sorry about that. Alright, the sentiment that I went with is thanks for everything you do. Sorry about that. And so I inked that up with the silver, put that off to the side, and I've decided that I'm going to make a panel to go for a layering panel. So as you saw, I inked all that up and then powdered around the edges. And then I decide I'm doing it again, and I don't remember why. Maybe I didn't like the way it turned out. So here we go, powder around the edges. Have to understand I made this video 2 months ago and thought I had edited it already. So this is a little vacuum cleaner that I bought. I love it because it gets that powder up so easily. So here we go with the heat tool again, and we are going to melt that silver powder and all the way around the edges. And I decide I need to get those tweezers so I can hold the paper steady so that I don't burn myself, because I'm pretty good at that. And I since have bought another heat tool, and yeah, it gets hotter even faster. Oh, I guess I made two. Okay. I'm telling you, I don't remember this card now. So, here we go. Oh, I remember what I did now. Okay, never mind. So, here we go. And there's a few spots that I missed, so I pulled in a Versamark pen so that I could hit those spots again. I wanted it perfect. You know, it's never going to be perfect, but as close as could be. This card's going out to a special person, so I needed to get it as nice as possible. So here we go. And now I'm going to pull in my trimmer so I can trim it down to a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 panel that I'm going to be using for my card base. This layer, I believe, is 4 by 5 1/4 when I finish. And then I'll have the silver that I'll cut down to just an 1/8 all around, larger than that. I'll use my tear it tape to adhere them together. And then, let's see. And then I will put them on. Okay, here we go, adhering that. So that's on the card. And now we're going to adhere that to my black card base. So if you like my video, please hit that like button, subscribe, catch all the videos from Imagine Crafts, hit the bell so that you'll see all the videos from Imagine Crafts. I'm going to move over to the guest team for 2021. So I will have one project a month instead of two, but I'm good with that. Make sure you also subscribe over to my channel, which is LeeAnn McKinney here at YouTube, and you'll see my videos there as well. So what I've done is I made a panel for the inside. So here I have a plain white panel that I'm putting on that second silver panel that I did that has that silver trim around it, and that will attach to the inside of my card base. So have happy holidays, everybody. Happy, healthy 2021 for all of us. And happy crafting.